Half a century ago, the world turned its eyes to Manila. At the Arena Coliseum, Muhammad Ali Jr. gave us a fight that people still call the greatest of all time. It was not just a battle of two heavyweights. It was a battle of will, of heart, and pride. The thriller in Manila showed the world the strength of the human spirit. Even when their bodies were breaking, their hearts refused to quit. That fight was more than a sporting event. It became a symbol of courage and perseverance. But what I want to highlight tonight is Muhammad Ali himself. He was more than a champion in the ring. He was a man of conviction, of faith, of unshakable belief. He used his voice, his platform, and his courage to fight battles outside the ring. For justice, for equality, for dignity. Growing up in poverty in General Santos City, I never thought I could stand where Ali stood. But when I saw him, his confidence, his skill, his bravery, I began to dream. I told myself, maybe I could also be a world champion one day, someday. And it happened. Ali told me that boxing is not just about throwing punches. It's about inspiring people. It's about giving hope. It's about showing that no matter how many times life knocks you down, you can always rise again. This is experience. I go through that situation. My own journey was never easy. I fought not just for myself, but for my family and for the Filipino people. And every time I stepped into the ring, I remember Ali's discipline, his faith, and his heart. To me, Muhammad Ali is not just the greatest. He is the reason many of us believe that greatness is possible even if you start with nothing. His legacy lives every boxer who dares to dream, and every person who refuses to give up no matter how hard life becomes. Today, as we honor the thriller in Manila, let us also honor the man who gave us more than a fight. He gave us